Alright, so this is a review for Unit 8 e-cart test on probability and statistics. The first question says, Ina collected, or Lena, I don't know, collected data for an experiment and calculated the mean to be 341 and then a standard deviation of 12. Okay. It says calculate the z-score of the data points of 370, and remember that the z-score, the formula is you take the actual score, and we're looking at a score of 320, subtract the mean, which is 341, divided by the standard deviation of 12. Okay, so you're just going to put that in your calculator. So you have 320 minus 341 divided by 12. So you get a score of negative 1.75. Doug's best score for Algebra 2 has a z-score of negative 2.5 compared to all students in his class. Which best represents his z-score? Remember that z-score, it is counting in standard deviations. So Doug's test score is 2.5 points higher than points. It's not points. Doug's test score is 2.5 standard deviations, yes, above the mean. That is wrong. Since it's negative, it is below the mean. So it's 2.5 standard deviations below the mean. The answer is D. And it's not C either because it's not points. It's standard deviations. Okay. Which distribution has the greatest standard deviation? So we need to just look up, see what the difference is between all of these numbers to see which one has the greatest standard deviation. Okay, so for this one, so the difference between 170 and 200 is, so you can do like 200 minus 170. And you get 30. So here the standard deviation looks like it's at 30. What about here? The standard deviation is 10. Here the standard deviation is 5. Here the standard deviation is 30. Here looks like there's a big jump. So that's like what, 65? And then here the standard deviation is at 10. So we're just looking at all the different numbers. So I would say this one has the greatest standard deviation.